Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Facebook timeline posts. So to do that, let's head over to your Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right. And from here, head over to your profile. Now scroll down and here you'll find the post that you have made. So if you want to hide any one of them, how can you do that? Just tap on the three dots of the specific file on the top right. And here you'll find the option of hide from profile. So tap on hide from profile and confirm it by tapping on confirm. And now this post is no longer shown on your timeline, and it may appear in other places such as newsfeed or search, but it won't show on your timeline. So yeah, this is how easily you can remove Facebook timeline posts. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.